Hey, welcome back to my channel Fly Hack Crypto. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do right now because I really want to grow more and only you could help me to do that. And also, I've listed a Binance link in my description box below. Go register yourself on the Binance app. It's a great platform to trade cryptocurrencies. And yeah, so let's start the video. So the topic is why a holo could reach $1 in 2021. Now there are many possibilities we could say, but there are few people who don't believe it could be true, but there are most other people who believe it could be true and also reach $1 by the end of 2021 or in 2022, but not more than a year and a half, I believe. Now the reasons why I'm saying is after the pandemic, everybody is looking for such coins which are cheap and could be bought with less amount and can gain a lot of coins. And similarly, that's the reason why Holo and many other coins are pumping up like a rocket in 2021. But the other thing I would like to add is other coins like Holo, which are cheap, are not really. I'm extremely sorry for the background. They are the kids, my neighbor kids were shouting. Anyways, yes, so the reason one for this is after the pandemic, people are looking for the coins which are really cheap and could be bought in less amount and can be bought a lot and lakhs of coins. Reason 2, there are many other coins like Holo which are cheap in amount and could be bought with less amount, but Holo has another level of scope, another level of project, and it's something beyond our imagination that we cannot really think of. So Holo is the only coin which is growing, which is pumping more than other similar coins, and that is the why we could say it could reach to $1 by the end of the 2021 or maybe in 2022. Now there are so many other people who tell me or who just comment on my videos saying like it's just impossible, it cannot go to $1, it has to come over with impossible supply which is just not imaginable, etc, etc, etc. But I would just like to add, nothing's impossible in crypto world. Is nothing impossible. I remember the day when Bitcoin was not really popular, was not really familiar with the people, and not everybody knew about it. And then everybody could say, everybody would have said the Bitcoin could not reach to 50k dollars, and today it is about to cross 60k dollars, and actually that's all-time high. And we also know Bitcoin would any Bitcoin could reach $1 million in no time. Yes, that's super possible. Now, if it's that possible, why cannot Hulu reach $1? Isn't it? Now, those people who are telling this is impossible, I would just like to add it's nothing impossible. The fame, the scope, the project, the potential that a Holo has, it's possible to it's possible that it could reach to $1 in any time soon. Well, there was a time when I couldn't believe Holo could go to $0.01 in 2021. I thought it could take around 10 years maybe, but it did not. It literally did not. It made it happen in just 1 month. Yes, in just 1 month it grew so fast that I'm very sure it could reach to $1 by the end of 2021 or maybe soon. So I'm just like to add one more thing. Whoever believes it's not possible, etc., I would like to say crypto world is actually an imaginative world where anything is possible. Yes, anything is possible. And for Holo, I think going $1 is a no big deal. It could reach $10 also. So yeah, whoever has that negative mind, please be positive, have a good energy around you, and yes, If you still don't have such mind, please be away from all this. But who believe in Holo, keep believing, keep supporting, because I'm in favor of it and I love Holo. It's my favorite coin. I really love Holo, and I know many of you do so. So yeah, just wanted to make a video to assure you that yes, Holo could reach to $1 because it has that potential. So now let's keep supporting Holo and investing in it, holding on and moving upwards. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment down below what you think. Thank you. Bye.